Hello everyone, my name's Jennifer, and I'm going to show you defined features of Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. For demonstration purposes, let's check into one of the extra rooms. For this one, you can either join session or dial in, and you will have an anonymous dial in. For now, let's just join session. You can join from a browser. Now, normally there would be a lot more people, but since it's just me, it's the room's empty. From here, the little area here, you can see the different features for some. For example, away if you need to take a break, or you need to leave session. There's also emotions, different emotions for different feedback. For example, you're surprised that something happened, or happy. You can also clear that. And if you agree with something, you can also click this or this. This one you can share audio with, from your mic. This button you can share video with. And you can raise your hand or not if you have a question. Here is the chat area. You can chat with everyone or just moderators. Normally there would be a lot more attendees, but here you can see who the attendees are, which is just me for now. Here is the primary content. You can share the blank whiteboard, share applications, files, you can do polls, timers, or break out into separate groups.